Hello beautiful people, welcome back to the channel. My name is Natanya. Hope you guys are doing well and staying safe. I'm in the bathroom and I'm going to share with you some simple things I'm going to be doing to elevate our the bathroom within the owner suite. And then I'm going to share with you one thing that I will no longer go without, never go without, and it's always on repeat, and I just started using it, and it has completely transformed my shower experience. But I'm going to share the items that I'm going to use to, get the bathroom refresh for the springtime. And then of course I'm going to show you that one thing that elevates my shower. But anyway, it's the bathroom, so it's all about organization. We're fortunate enough to have let me show you right here, girl. Can you see me? Okay. We have a linen closet right off here. I will capture a shot of this. In this linen closet, we have our towels, our sheets, personal items. I try to stock up a lot on body wash, lotion, all the personal items that we need, feminine products. I keep it in here. But one thing I decided to do this year was, I normally do white towels, but I want a little bit of razzle dazzle, so I did this. I found these fun checkered print ones at HomeSense maybe a month ago. I've been using them. No, truth be told, JB don't like them. They're extremely soft, so when you dry yourself off, you're still feeling wet, but it's a nice break up to everything being so wet, and this plays nice with the basket that we have a storage in the closet. But I would not recommend these as like everyday towel, but definitely for a fun, playful accent, get you something checkered. And this brand is the Common Thread, and this is my first time buying this brand, so keep that in mind. The white towels that we have, that we love, JB bought a pack from Costco. I think we got it was six towels, 6 bath towels, and then 6 washcloth, and I love those towels from Costco, so definitely get those. I buy my towel I change up my towel every 6 months, and Jimmy bought these at the end of the year. So that's that for this closet, what it looks like. And as you can tell, we painted our bathroom, we drenched it in the same color we did our owner suite in. So I'm loving that as well. Next, let's talk about storage. Outside of basket, we need beautiful accessories, right? No, I don't like my decor pieces to have words and stuff on this, but when I saw this in Home Goods, I really, really liked it, and it reminded me of Anthropology. So I bought the entire thing. Hold on. So this says soap. I think it's just playful, and I think one thing I'm trying to get away from is the box and just buy what I like. And I love this for us here in the suite. This says fresh. In this one we keep like our Q-tips. This one is pretty much etc. whatever, and we keep what is called toothpicks, right? And then so those 3 on JB's side, this on my side, another soap, and another, this says things, and I keep my cotton swab in it. If I see more, because I would love to get one more of this for myself. Yeah. Then all these things, we're gonna start them on the countertop, okay? This little marble little tray thing, and then this is what I house or I group our things in. So soap, maybe this like that, and then this one in the back. So I kind of group this on my side and the same thing on JB's side. Of course, within the bathroom we need to have a tray, and I found this beautiful one from also Home Goods or HomeSense, $12.99, and I put this. We have a double sink, but it's not separated, so I put this in the middle to put like or skincare or deodorant, and I have some flowers on there as well. Normally I like to keep the face stuff in the drawer, but when I keep them in the drawer, I forget about it. I don't use it. So therefore, I wanted this space to be functional, but yet still look beautiful. So I just keep everything on the tray, and then the extra stuff I just keep either in the drawers right here or in the linen closet. But this right here is really fun. And if you notice, all my trays that I have in the bathroom, I can take them and use them on a coffee table. I can use them on a nightstand because they're multi-purpose. Okay. So within the fall season, I had these faux hydrangeas. I wish I could do fresh hydrangeas, but I think I'm not good with hydrangeas. So I have this in the bathroom over the winter time, but I love to have like lilies in the bathroom. But I gotta change the vase and probably get some fresh lilies. But in the stand of it all, you would definitely see me using this. And again, guys, if you don't want to do the fresh flowers, don't be afraid to use something full, but try to do like some kind of greenery or something white that's fresh with the entire bathroom space, okay? No. Oh, before I go on, right? As you guys can tell, I'm still rocking baby nighty right here. And I'm getting more and more comfortable with it. And I realized it's been almost a week and a half now since I've just had my natural hair out. And I realized that it plays a big part of my confidence. And I'm more and more telling myself it's okay that my hair is not long and bouncy, and it's okay if it's short and healthy. The biggest part of this hair journey for me is that I want to have my hair to be healthy, and I want to be able to embrace my natural hair in its state and don't feel pressure that I have to go and get braids or do something to add something to it. My hair is beautiful the way that it is. Thank you guys so much for the kind words. Thank you for others who have shared their hair last year with me as well. I know it's hard. I know sometimes it can be just like, ew, why me? But I don't think that's something that we can control, but we can definitely try to make our hair healthier and just embrace the beautiful human beings that we are. Okay? And one thing I think about the overall vibe for our bathroom is that I love my bathroom to smell fresh. Just honestly, just fresh, something with eucalyptus, something minty. It's just a weird thing of mine. And in the past, I bought eucalyptus and create bunches and put it over our shower head, and that works. But this this Vicks vapor shower, when I tell you it's a moment, it's a moment. I don't know how much JB paid for, but it's at Costco. They probably like can't be no more than $10. It comes with 8 in each. It comes just like this. Okay, you cut it, you turn on the shower, let the water, however your temperature is. For me, hot. Put this in there at least 30 seconds before you get into the shower, and then the entire space just smells like that's just like fresh aroma vibe. And go ahead and have a good time in the shower. I will not have a shower without one of these things anymore. No, the issue that JB have with me is that even though it says 1 tablet per shower, JB is like, oh Natty, let's try and use 1 twice. No, you can do that for yourself. I'm gonna drop this one in there and I'm gonna go ahead and have a good time. But I'm telling you, try it. It's good. It's good. And I think it's just the scent of it that makes it just gives an experience. You know what I mean? Pure bit like your body wash and all the different things like that. I'm telling you, try to let me know below. Another thing that I do in my shower is that we have a little bench in our shower, and I'm going to show you all these things when I'm styling. I keep I put some towels and some washcloth in there, and I put a few of these on the bench itself because we don't normally sit in the shower. And then it's right there when you step in, everything is just there for you to do your thing and get out. But those are some of the essential things that I need to elevate my bathroom. Now let's go ahead and style it, okay? I finished recording that part, and then I was like, I never mentioned the water closet. But within our bathroom, we have a separate water closet, pretty much where the toilet is. And what I did with that years ago, and I've never showed it because I was so focused on doing other stuff, we had that wallpaper, but I don't have any storage in the bath in that part of the restroom. So I might just find like a little table and put it in there to put like a nice diffuser or something. Add some artwork to my bathroom, and I want to have somewhere because I don't have anywhere around my sink to have towel rings. So I want to have that hung eventually and change out the builder grade lighting. But until then, we're still gonna have fun and make this space what I want it to be. So I want to take a break to show you something. It's kind of personal, but I think it's so fun and so cute, right? So JB does this thing for me. It's very random, and I like that it's random. It's not something that I expect. So I would go to work or go somewhere and come back, and he left me sticky notes on the thing. But then he also sometimes draws stuff. But look at this one. Like, it's the little things. Can y'all see this one? This one says, I love you. And then this second one says, love is a wonderful gift, so are you. Isn't this like so cute? And I think this one is my favorite because he drew something on it. He said, you're amazing. And then you draw like a maze to do that. And then then this one says, thank you for showing me what loves look like. And then they draw the eyes to say the eyes to what look. And so it's quite a few, and it's just, it makes my day. And I hope one day I don't want to display them somewhere, because I feel like things like these is just, it's priceless. So what he does, he kept like a sticky, a post-it in the drawer, and then he just makes them randomly. And I keep them out here sometime, but I think my clean lady, when she came, she probably took them down and put in the drawer. But I line them up here all the time because why not, right? When you have someone who loves you, why be ashamed of things that they some of the gifts that they give you? And sometimes it's not about like the Gucci or those things, which I love those things too. But these are the post-it. On a bad day, they're needed and they're appreciated. And when the adhesive stopped working, I use thumbtack. Yeah. So I want to share that with you. Do that for your spouse or for someone special. Remember I told you that in the shower we have a bench right here. So I try to have like maybe like 4 towels. So right now I have 2. And then I just bring in some clean washcloth, and I just sometimes put them on top of the towels, but right now I'm going to put them on the side. Right? I don't know if it's a Jamaica thing or not, but we don't use the same towel on our body that we use to dry our foot. So we have like, we call it a foot towel. So we just have this on the side right here. And then I'm going to bring in my shower pods. I know I mentioned it was 6, but I think it's 8. And I'll just put them again and like this little tray I have right here so we can get access to it when we come in the shower.